What we have here is a Mac 2 flashlight, and this is the ASL 500M. This thing's very expensive. It goes for like almost 120 bucks, but it stopped working. It got a liquid damage, and I found out the problem was the battery, and I can't find this battery to order, right? So I cleaned everything inside on this board that controls the battery charging, but I couldn't get, so with my meter I could not get the right voltage coming out of this battery or charging. It would have constantly show red on this board when I try to charge it. So what I found out is there's something wrong with this board, and I couldn't get this negative to work properly. So what I did is I desoldered it from here and moved it to the battery terminal. So I'm getting negative directly from the battery, and believe it or not, I'm gonna plug the charger now so you guys can see. Charger's in. Look at that, it's charging. And also, let me try to turn it on. Look at that. Whew, very bright. Very bright. So I solved this problem just by jumping the negative from there. But I'm going to take another look at that board and see, what's really affecting that negative, that ground from, being connected there versus there. But man, this thing is working for me, and just saved some money. I was ready to throw it out. So if you're having the same issues, look at the battery terminals, especially that small board within the battery that allows the battery to charge. Check this entire board for liquid damage or any issues, right? This one is nice and clean, but that I had to do some cleaning. But I'm good. So I'm going to put it back together. Before I do, I'm going to analyze that under my microscope here just to see if I see any weirdness. Otherwise, I'm going to leave it alone. It's working. I'm happy. Any questions, comments, put in the comment section, and I'll try to do my best to help you guys out if you're having the same issue. Thank you.